everyone, in this video the topic covered is rationalizing denominators. The aim is to make the denominator a rational number. A rational number includes whole numbers or integers, fractions, terminating decimals such as 0.25 and 0.5, and repeating decimals which are reoccurring decimals like 0.3 recurring. Now we are going to look at the first example question. Rationalize the denominator 6 square root 3 over square root 3. First, you multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. The meaning of rationalizing a denominator is to make sure that the denominator is not a surd. So you would write it as this, and in your exam you have to write it in this format, and you would usually get a mark for showing what you're multiplying the numerator and denominator by. So it will become 6 times 3 over 3. So 6 times 3 is 18, and that's over 3. 18 is divisible by 3. You divide 18 by 3, and your answer is 6. So therefore, 6 square root 3 over square root 3 rationalized is equal to 6. Now we are going to look at the first exam question. Rationalize the denominator 9 over square root 10 minus 3. First, you rationalize the fraction. With this type of question, if you get a square root with a sign, then a number, you have to change the sign. So in this question, the sign is a negative sign, so you have to change it to positive, and if the sign was positive originally, you have to change it to negative. So you remember, you have to put it in this format, and then it will become 9 bracket square root 10 plus 3 over bracket square root 10 minus 3 bracket square root 10 plus 3. Then you simplify the numerator to become 9 square root 10 plus 27. Then we need to FOIL the double brackets in the denominator in order to make the denominator a rational number. So FOIL. F stands for first, so square root 10 times square root 10 is equal to 10. O stands for outside, square root 10 times 3 is 3 square root 10. I stands for inside, square root 10 times minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square root 10, and L stands for last. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. So we put all the terms together. 10 plus 3 square root 10 minus 3 square root 10 minus 9. Then you simplify the expression to get 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So 1 will be the denominator. So now the fraction looks like this: 9 over square root 10 plus 27 over 1, which is equal to 9 square root 10 plus 27. Therefore, 9 over square root 10 minus 3 rationalized is 9 square root 10 plus 27. Now we are going to look at the second exam question. Given that 10 minus square root 32 over square root 2 is equal to a plus b square root 2, find the values of a and b. First, you simplify square root 32. How you can simplify a square root is if you know the number within the square root is divisible by square number. In this case, 32 is divisible by 16. So here you would write it in this form to get marks, so the examiner knows how you simplified the square roots, especially for a non-calculator paper. So your answer would be 4 square root 2. So now your fraction would be 10 minus 4 square root 2 over square root 2. Then you'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root 2. To get 10 in brackets square root 2 minus 4 in brackets square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 over 2. Then you simplify the numerator to become 10 square root 2 minus 8 over 2. Now we can simplify the fraction. You can simplify 10 and 8 because 10 and 8 are both divisible by 2. The number in the square root cannot be affected by the denominator because it's not included when simplifying. The square root stays the same. So after you simplify the fraction, it becomes minus 4 plus 5 square root 2. You might ask, why did the position change? We do that so you can match the format that is in the question, which is a plus b square root 2. So if we're looking at the simplified fraction, we know what a is and we know what b is. A is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 5. I hope you found this video useful. Please click on the subscribe and bell buttons for more content from this channel, and please feel free to share. Thank you for your time.